Mel has just weeks to find a new home in a tight and unaffordable rental market.
$4.70 per week.
The 49-year-old is already spending the bulk of her disability pension on rent, and she's one of more than 4,400 households waiting for public housing.
Someone like myself that suffers depression and anxiety, it's really quite bad for us.
Like Mel, 3/4 of those waiting for housing are listed as priority.
On our social housing register are people who are experiencing extreme poverty and complex need.
Earlier this year, the state government announced a $1.5 billion plan to build 10,000 new homes over the next decade.
We're really pleased that the government's making those commitments, but we're not walking away from the fact that this is going to be a very tough hill to climb.
1,500 social homes have been built in the last 7 years, about 200 a year. That would need to ramp up to 1,000 a year to reach the government's new target.
And that's why we're expending more than ever before in Tasmanian history, $204 million this year, $438 million over the next 4 years.
One of the biggest challenges is a shortage of building materials and construction workers.
We need to be thinking about alternative supply chains that are domestic.
The state government is releasing a discussion paper seeking input on its 20-year housing strategy. Underpinning that is a new housing authority, which will oversee housing and homelessness services and determine where new developments are built.
We need it to be well serviced by public transport, we need health services to be there, we need job opportunities to be there.
And they're needed sooner rather than later. Fiona Blackwood, ABC News.